Economic geology, as we know, the discipline of economic geology covers all aspects of pertaining to the description and understanding of mineral resources. How much minerals are there, how much it is useful. Or, for example, if you take all the what to say, all the places or all the soils which are in the riverbed, or we have a virgin river sites or something like that. Even some places in South Africa or in India also, some places we can say that the gold is there. But how much cost is supposed to use? How much? What are the technology is there? How much cost it will involve to get the gold in the usable form and a reliable form? How much cost? How much amount you supposed to spend for it? So that will decide the economic, whether it is reliable, which is reasonable or not. So that is called the economic geology. The purpose of this process-oriented course is to provide a better understanding of the nature and origin of minerals occurrence and how they fit into the earth system. Allied branches. So far we discussed about the main branches. The other things are the allied branches. First one is the engineering geology, what we are studying. This deals with the application of geological knowledge in the field of civil engineering for execution of safe, stable and economic construction like dams, bridges and tunnels, all the infrastructure. So if you study about it, then it is called the engineering geology. Mining geology, this deals with the application of geologic knowledge in the field of mining. The mining is a very important, one of the economic desire for the country. A mining engineer is interested in the mode of extent of occurrence of ores, how the ores are occur, their association, their property. These all are decided based on the mining study. It is also necessary to know other physical parameters like depth, at what depth the minerals are available, and then what direction, what inclination, what thickness, and what are the reserve bodies for efficient utilization of the mining material, what you are going for. Such details of minerals exploration, estimation and exploration are deals with mining geology. So you will get a better idea about it, how much minerals are available on a particular location. So you can plan your mining plan. Next one is the geophysics, the study of physical property like density, magnetism of the earth or its parts, to know its interior form, the subject matter of the geophysics. There are different types of geophysical investigations based on the ion of physical property, utilize gravity method, seismic method, magnetic method, all those things. Actually, that engineering geology will use this geophysics to construct any infrastructural development. So this engineering geophysics is the very important to know what is there in underneath of the earth and how it is formed and how much how you can use the particular area for different purposes. For example, if you want to plan a dam, or if you want to plan a tunnel, or if you want to plan any infrastructure on a above surface of the earth, you are supposed to do this geophysics study. Not only for that, suppose if you want to know water resources in a groundwater, in a underground, from the ground sources as a borewell or whatever it may be, you are supposed to know the geophysics of the particular area. So the electrical resistivity method is one among them, which will give you the information about at what depth you are having your resource as water or whatever it may be. If you want to know about gold, if you want to know about iron ore, whatever it may be, it will be based on the a kind of geophysics study. Yes, we can call this electric resistivity. We have different type of study. One among them are very importantly in civil engineering branch we are using electrical resistivity study. Next one is the geohydrology. So geology plus hydrology is called geohydrology, as we know very well. So it is hydrogeology sometimes we call. So it deals with the occurrence, movement and nature of groundwater in the area. As you know, that geo means it's about surface of earth or underneath of the about the earth. So hydrology means water, as we know very well. So how the water is occurrence, what is the at what depth the water is occurred, and how it is moving. Not only occur where it is present and how it is moving. As we know that we have different types of in hydrology, we may studied about different types of formation of water below the earth, how it is there. So what are the advantage? In general, geological and geophysical studies are together taken up for ground investigation. We are supposed to take geophysics as well as geological study to know the hydrogeology very well. So that if you once you know about the hydrogeology, it will help you to identify how it will be. Then geochemistry is a branch relatively more recent and deals with the occurrence, distribution, abundance, mobility, etc. of different elements in the earth crust. It's not only about water, but also all the things, whatever the mineral or whatever present below the earth. So its geochemistry is very important to make some decision about whether in terms of mining or in terms of any infrastructure, it is very, very useful.